லவ் அட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சைட்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, இங்க வந்து இந்த அபார்ட்மெண்ட்டை பாக்குற வரைக்கும் எனக்குமே நம்பிக்கை இல்ல. Introducing ATH Valencia by Asset Homes, a home inspired by love, crafted with elegance, located in the most prestigious address, Defense Colony, Ekkatuthangal. ATH Valencia, premium and luxury 2 and 3 BHK apartments, form residential zone, it right in the heart of the city, just minutes from Olympia Tech Park, DLF IT Park, Thamrai IT Park, Guindy Industrial Estate, Ekkatuthangal Metro Railway Station, and 15 minutes to Chennai International Airport. Only 15 exclusive units designed for space, light and lifestyle fit for royalty. ATH Valencia, your perfect love-themed luxury home. To complete your premium lifestyle, covered car parking, fully equipped gym, rooftop sit-up area, barbecue counter, EV charging point, and 15 plus hand-picked luxury amenities. Yellame ready. ATH Valencia, Asset Homes, 89398 56789.